All right, scrappers, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna tear this Ptac down. It's a Premier. They're junk. The buttons all crack, and they don't last real long. Not like the Amanas that I've been taking apart. And we'll see how long it takes to rip this apart and what's in it. We all know what's in those Amanas, but we'll see what's in this. It's 423 right now, and it looks like it's got a lot more screws. And then the drill's dead. We're gonna be down one drill, so that's gonna affect how long it takes. I'm already beginning to not like this. Yeah. See a screw, take it out. All day long you'll have good luck. I never did one of these, so I don't know how many of these screws we gotta take out or whatever, but we'll find out. Well, there's the board. That ain't real impressive. $4.23. That's what it was. What time it was? 4:23. There's a little more impressive board. Come on, baby, cut. There we go. Cord. So that's basically a low grade board. It's not even, I don't even think we could get by with a mid grade. We'll throw her over here and check it out. Check it out later. It's got a bigger transformer in it than size-wise than the Amana's had. gorgeous out. It's about 83. It's humid though, really humid. So when you're doing this work outside and it's really humid, make sure you stay really hydrated. I say that because all the other scrappers say that. Some wires. Put this in here. Why did I put it in the dead one? I should have that on the charger. It's July 3rd. Probably gonna have a lot of fireworks going off tonight. Holy moly, they have the screws in this thing. So yeah, I started out doing a time lapse, and the GoPro got so hot it shut off. Which it usually doesn't do for a time lapse. So I scratched that idea, and I was just doing the Amana ones off camera. You've all seen Amanas being taken apart. Okay, what's next? Like I said, I've never taken one of these apart. It's weird, I don't see the heating element in there. Usually the heating element is right in here. Oh, there's the heating element. Look at that little tiny heating element they give you. Compared to that on an Amana. They got screws in places that you can't really get at unless you bend this out of the way. Suppose we should get that transformer out of there. And then the transformer doesn't want to come out because the holes in the bracket are too close to the unit. So yeah, there's the difference in size of the transformers. I don't know if it's just a bigger plastic shell on it or what. I suppose we could just take that off. Hopefully, don't be dropping them screws, Dennis. Ugh. Oh yeah, rotten thing. Oh, and you gotta have one in the top too, right? Sure, and then it's buried under there. Hope y'all can all see what's going on here, and it's not too far down or too far up, or is that ready to come out of there? Are you gonna be screwed in from the bottom or something stupid? All right, there's one nice copper aluminum rad. It's pretty decent. It's got 3 rows of copper going through it. Okay, we got this motor here to get out of there. Don't know how, because you can't get a screwdriver in there. Boy, oh boy. Yuck. Yeah, it's too bad these got all rained on last night. Because that's a bummer, trying to work on it. One thing I've noticed here is This brand has this reversing valve on it, and the Yamanas didn't have those. More wire. It's nice we get that solenoid with that little piece of copper in there. Huh. Come on out of there. Come on. Bend, you sucker. Come on, get out of there. Boy, that's a big long sucker. We'll do that. Nice chunk of copper coming out of it. All right, now we got these screws to do. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Motor's a lot smaller. This fan motor than on the Yamanas. Uh-oh, now I'm throwing stuff on the ground. Oh boy. All right, another piece of steel. Come on, get out of there. Okay, what's holding you? A screw. A screw. Look at that extra copper. That's nice. Yeah, that's real nice. Don't know what the purposing of that is. Didn't have enough flow or something, so they added it. I'm not sure. Another nice rad, copper and aluminum. I gotta figure out how to tighten this band up on this GoPro. Keeps wanting to slide down over my eyes. Ugh. All right, how's this cute little fan coming off of there? Or should just pull off? All right, where'd the thing go? Looks like the motor's held in with them screws. Come on. Come on, baby, I know you can do it. You can get in there. There we go. Okay. Oh, we still got this motor over here. A motor over here. No, I thought we were done. I thought we were done. Sure, and then there's 3 screws on it. Probably gotta take this top off. Well, there's screws on this back side. They're gonna pull out of there now. Okay, where'd the little one go? Where's the little one? Here it is. So this thing was a lot different than the old Amanas. Come on, baby. Huh, got the good part. So that was weird. I think we're gonna wind up cutting that shaft. All right, let's check the old time here. It is 4:50. So it was 4:23 to 4:50, about 26 minutes. That's not bad, considering it was the first one of them I've ever done. So yeah. Whew. Well, thanks for staying around and sweating with me. Hope you'll watch one of the really cool videos that's on screen now. It's gonna drive you nuts.